If you need to change the age on your Epic Games account, this video will walk you through the safest and most direct way to do it. Keep in mind that Epic Games does not usually let you simply edit your date of birth in the account settings, so the best method is to contact support and request help with your account age details. This is a quick tutorial and I'll show you the exact steps from start to finish. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Epic Games in your web browser. You can do this from Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any browser you normally use. Once the Epic Games website loads, look for the support option. This is where Epic keeps help articles and account assistance tools. Click on support to continue. After that, you'll want to find the account section from the Explore Topics area. This helps Epic direct your request to the right support category, which is important if you want the fastest response possible. Once you're in the account-related support area, scroll down until you see Contact Us. This is the option you need to open a direct support request. Click on Contact Us, and Epic should take you to a form or message box where you can explain your issue. Now, in the message area, type out your issue clearly. For example, you can say that you need help updating or correcting the age associated with your Epic Games account. Keep your message short, polite, and easy to understand. If you have any details that support your request, include them as well. The clearer your message is, the easier it is for the support team to review it. After typing your issue, send a request. At this point, Epic Games Support will receive your message and review your account situation. Depending on their process, they may reply asking for more information or let you know what steps are available for your account. Be sure to check your email and your Epic Games Support inbox for any updates, because that's where their reply will usually appear. And that's it. You've now gone through the steps to contact Epic Games about changing the age on your account. Again, the main thing to remember is that this is handled through support, not usually through a simple self-service setting. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.